Get ready to dive into the wild world of a creature that truly lives life in the fast lane. We're talking about the shrew, a tiny mammal with a heart that beats faster than a sports car engine. Seriously, it's almost hard to believe, right? Picture this, you're sitting there chilling and your heart's probably beating somewhere between 60 and 100 times a minute, right? Now, imagine an animal whose heart races at over 1,000 beats per minute. Yep, you heard that right. Some shrew species have resting heart rates clocked at a jaw-dropping 1,200 beats per minute. That's like 20 beats every single second. If you could hear it, it wouldn't be a simple thump-thump, but more like a high-pitched hum buzzing away. It's one of the fastest heart rates in the entire animal kingdom, and it's just mind-blowing. So, what's behind this crazy non-stop pace? It's something we can all relate to, especially on a chilly day, staying warm. Shrews are super tiny, some of the smallest mammals on Earth, weighing less than a dime. But this tiny size comes with a big problem. They lose body heat really quickly because their surface area is so large compared to their body volume. It's like being a little radiator that's always on. To fight off that constant heat loss, the shrew's body has evolved into a metabolic powerhouse. They're in a state of hypermetabolism, which means their internal engine is always revved up, burning energy at a furious rate just to stay warm and alive. And what fuels this engine? Oxygen. That's where the lightning-fast heart comes in. It has to pump oxygen-rich blood to every single cell in its body at breakneck speed. This constant oxygen supply keeps the metabolic fire burning bright, allowing the shrew to maintain its body temperature and keep up with its high-energy lifestyle. It's like they're running a marathon every single day. But living at this frantic pace isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It's like having a car that's always redlining it, guzzles fuel at an alarming rate. For the shrew, that fuel is food. These little guys can't afford to skip a meal. They need to eat almost non-stop, chowing down on insects, worms, and other small critters, sometimes consuming their own body weight or even more every single day. Can you imagine that? If a shrew goes without food for just 2 or 3 hours, it's lights out. Their energy reserves run dry, their internal furnace cools down, and they can literally die from starvation and hypothermia. No time for lazy afternoons in the world of a shrew. It's a constant high-stakes battle for survival that defines their entire existence. They're living life on the edge, in the most literal sense. Now, let's talk about their eating habits. Shrews are not picky eaters. They're like little vacuum cleaners of the forest floor. They hunt down insects, slugs, and even small vertebrates. Some species have been known to eat up to 100% of their body weight in food each day. That's like you or me eating a whole pizza and then some, every single day. And they have this super cool adaptation where they can store food in their burrows to munch on later. Talk about being resourceful. While this hypermetabolism helps them survive in their tiny bodies, it comes with a hefty price tag. Shrews have incredibly short lifespans. Most live only about a year, maybe 2 if they're lucky. They live fast and die young. It's a poignant reminder that in nature, every survival strategy, no matter how extreme, comes with trade-offs. The same mechanism that keeps the shrew alive moment to moment is also what burns its life out so quickly. But let's not forget about their social lives. Some shrew species are solitary, while others can be quite social. They communicate through a series of high-pitched sounds and even scent markings. Imagine tiny creatures having their own little gossip sessions in the underbrush. It's a fascinating glimpse into their world, where every interaction could mean life or death. So, next time you spot a tiny creature darting through the underbrush, take a moment to appreciate the sheer intensity of its life. It might just be a shrew, a tiny marvel of nature living a whole lifetime in a year, its heart racing just to make it to the next meal. It's a powerful lesson in the incredible and often extreme adaptations that life creates to tackle challenges. What do you think about this amazing little creature? It really puts our own pace of life into perspective, doesn't it? I mean, we stress over deadlines and busy schedules. But here's a tiny mammal that's literally racing against time every single day. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this wild journey into the world of shrews. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Catch you next time.